Want to be your own boss? Want to make money from home? You have come to the right place. Sit back, relax and listen to every word of this presentation as it can change your life. You are about to hear about a unique home-based business opportunity that made millions of people around the world financially independent. Multimillionaire and best-selling author Robert Kiyosaki said there are 4 ways to make money. As an employee, you exchange your time and effort for an income. If you don't work, you don't get paid. As a self-employed, you work for yourself. But can you take a 6-week holiday and your business keeps on going without you? As big business owners, people have other people working hard for them to generate income. As investors, people have their money working hard for them. They play golf and live a good life. I can teach you how to build a big successful business and invest in your future. Will you be interested in building a passive, residual income and live the life of your dreams? Every successful entrepreneur started with a dream. What would you like to achieve in your life? What is your dream? Maybe you want to become debt-free. Imagine how it would feel when you paid off all your loans and debts. Maybe you dream about a beautiful home. Maybe you dream about a luxury car. Maybe you want to retire early. Maybe you want to have a lot of money to inherit to your children. Maybe you want to travel around the world and visit beautiful destinations. Maybe you want to have enough money to donate to worthy causes. It is being taught that the age does not make people old. You are never old until you stop dreaming. You have to tell yourself, yes, I want to change my life. Ready to take charge of your financial future? Let me show you how. Millions of people all around the world are achieving their dreams working in this company. There are tons of success stories. People from different walks of life are able to change their future and pursue their dreams. This business can help you achieve your dreams. Be your own boss and start creating the income for yourself. Take action today. Start living your dream now. Follow the link in the description and sign up to watch a free video presentation. Don't delay. Get started today. Press the link below to watch a video presentation.